Hey guys, welcome back. No, I've not posted in a long time. School is really stressful. So today I'm going to try to give you an overview of my Onesignal library. I already posted an article on this on Instructables, Dev.to, another and Hackstar.io. So let's get to business. I won't be going in depth on the code, just explaining how you can use it. This is the library. It's not really long, just 87 lines. Why I did this try import request to try this first, then doesn't work, try this, so that this can work both on micropython and the regular Python. The first thing first is sending notifications. So you have to import the Onesignal library, create an instance of the class notifier. So this first argument here, as I've written here, is your app ID. This is your API key. While the next one is your API key, and the third one is simply the language you're sending the message. So we have notify or notify segment. Now, once again, that segment is the way your users are separated different segments. You have your subscribed user, you have active users, inactive users. So to see your segment, you go to your Onesignal app, click on this one, notify, and I click on my audience. I currently don't have any audience, so you see a lot of the zeros. But this is subscribed users, you have active users, you have inactive users, you have your engaged users, all email subscribers, all SMS subscribers. I don't know about this two, but this section say this for active. Now you also have the option to notify user. In fact, notify user using the user player ID. The the message only go to a particular user. So this is a message here. This is the user player ID, and this is the message I have to send to the user. So to access your user player IDs, also in audience, you go to your users. I don't have any user, but you see your user with a player ID around here. Okay. So I think that's all for sending notifications. Now sending SMS, also similar. So from the Onesignal library, import the SMS messenger. So now the first argument of the SMS messenger object will be the app ID. To get your app ID, yes, to get the app ID is usually the same for both notifications and for messages. So I'll go to my settings and go to keys and ID. See your Onesignal app ID and see your REST API key. This is what I put here and here. So this for phone number will be your Twilio phone number. So use Onesignal SMS. You have to have a Twilio account and set up Twilio messaging on Twilio. You can link it to your Onesignal app. Onesignal has documentation showing you the steps to do that. I'll add the link in the description below. So you put the sender's name, your name. My name is Pius, and the language you're sending the messages. So the messenger, this function, your messenger just send text. The first argument is the message you're sending, hello or whatever message you're sending, and the second argument are just a list of phone number that should receive the message. Now to press run now, you can see element expires, included phone number. These are the phone numbers. So recipient 1, yes, this other phone number doesn't exist probably, and it's the total here the invalid phone number. This other one doesn't exist, but the other guy received the message. And you also try that for the send notification. When I press run, I get it 200. Okay, means it was successful, but I have no users on notification, so it gave me recipient 0. And this for all recorded players. Know that there are 2 requests. I just want to send to segment, so send to a particular user. So there are no users, so I also get recipient at 0. This is just a fake player ID. this guy over here, just a fake player ID. Now sending mail, also very easy. You need your app ID, API key, and the language also. Just the same way you find the app ID for messages, for push notification, same way you find it for your mail. So you have your subject for email, that facts, then the body, then the guy actually for the line of code actually send the mail. It's the mailer object from the Onesignal library. So simply mailer does send mail. The body, the first argument is the body, second argument is subject, third one the emails. Now you can add more emails. You can add more emails to it as you want. Just separate them with commas. So that's basically I run this. I've not set up my Onesignal email, so it should work, but also give an error. So okay. All nuclear players are not subscribed. I've not even set it up. So see the one in here. So the one in here, you must configure email notifications. But this is proof that it works. If you have any question about this Onesignal library or module I built, you can always just drop something in the comment. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. So please hit the like button, share to your friends, and please subscribe.